Lots of cloud cover throughout the Big Bend today, and those rain showers have already begun. Good evening, everyone. I'm student meteorologist Amanda Lindquist. Looking at our radar right now, you'd think there's actually a whole lot more rain than there is. And while we are seeing wall-to-wall rainfall, it is mostly some light sprinkles and some light showers. That rain will be persisting overnight, but again, very small amounts. So far at the airport, we've picked up just trace amounts of rainfall. Now, our high temperature today was 67 degrees, which is right on par with where we typically are this time of year. We've been well above average for many, many weeks now. And in fact, our low temperature, here's the big shocker, 35 degrees, was well below average for this time of year. And it's only going to get colder this weekend. That's right, if you're a fan of those chilly temperatures, stick around. Currently across the region, we are seeing temperatures ranging anywhere from the low 50s here along the coast, 53 in Apalachicola and Panama City, over towards the 60s as we move towards the peninsula. We see Cross City at 63, Gainesville and Ocala both coming in at 64 degrees. Now, as that rainfall is moving from west to east, the humidity is picking up as well. That overcast sky out there today, that came right along with some very muggy feeling weather out there. 80% humidity in Tallahassee, 86% humidity in Apalachicola. Back off towards the north and west, they're beginning to dry out, just slightly 49% humidity in Dothan. Now, as we move to the upper and mid levels of our atmosphere, that theme of moisture, well, that sticks with us all the way up as far as you go in the lower layers of the atmosphere. There is a lot of moisture. That's what all of this purple is right here. The good news is that we will be drying out by tomorrow. This rainfall is only going to last for tonight, and all of this dry air right here, that red color, that's associated with a high pressure system that will be parking over us for the weekend and the beginning of next work week. Taking a look at a wider picture where all of that rainfall is falling, well, pretty much across much of the deep south, and along with it are those overcast skies that we had today. Now, the overcast skies tonight are actually going to keep us just a few degrees warmer. They're going to act like a blanket to trap all of the heat that the earth is radiating. But as we move ahead past tonight and past tomorrow, and we see those showers clear from west to east, there's that high pressure I mentioned, and along with that high pressure comes some very brisk northwesterly winds that are going to make the rest of this weekend much colder than this week was. We are talking some 20-degree temperatures this weekend. But again, let me not get ahead of myself. For tonight, lower 40s is what we're expecting in Tallahassee, 42 degrees. Mostly cloudy with the rain ending by the early morning hours. And tomorrow, that's when the cooler weather officially moves in. Just 61 degrees is expected to be your high temperature. And as we take a look at the next 7 days, you'll see what I'm talking about, those 20-degree temperatures, 29 for Sunday and Monday morning. Don't forget, cover those exposed pipes, cover your plants. Make sure you bring your pets inside. I'm sure they don't like the 20s. And for the rest of the week, we'll be gradually warming up. Your Valentine's Day is looking to be beautiful, just a 30% chance of rain.